In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to back up your WhatsApp. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to click on this three dot up here. So once you're there, click on what settings. So once you get there, you click on chat. Okay, after which you scroll down, you are going to see chat backup. You simply click on it. Okay, you can see you're going to see backup, but you simply need to what to add your Google account to your WhatsApp account. So you click on Google account. So if you don't have one, click on what add. But since I already have Google account on my cell phone, I'll simply click on what the Google account which is installed on my cell phone. So click on the first one. You can simply give it authority. So after that, you see Google account now will be using your Google Drive. So make sure you read this out before clicking on what continue. Okay guys, as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to our WhatsApp. So after that, you can simply click on what if you want but automatically backup. So I'm going to click that is automatic backup. You can see daily, weekly, monthly. So it depends on what you want to do. That is, if you want that way your WhatsApp to be automatically backing up your chats or your messages every after 1 month or every week. So if you don't want that at all, you simply click on what off. So if you want it every week, click on what weekly or monthly. So after, so you can also see include videos uploaded. So if you want to include that, when WhatsApp will backing up your messages, you should include all your videos, that is videos that people have been sending to you on your WhatsApp account. So if you want that, you can click on it. So if you want that when backuping your messages, you should use your phone data. You click here, enable it. But if you want that, you should use the general, that is when you are connected to the internet or when you are connected to a Wi-Fi. So you leave it in this manner. So after that, you click on what backup. So you can see backing up messages. So it might take a while depending on the size of messages that you have. So you can see we just have 20 megabytes. So it's not that way much. So guys, we just successfully back up our WhatsApp messages on our Android phone, that is with our Google account. So if you want to restore your WhatsApp messages, you simply need to log in this same Google account to your new device, and you install the WhatsApp account with the same number. You are going to get back all your WhatsApp messages. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.